Growing for 2 decades, the trees in this forest, mostly red and white oak, stretch 50 feet or higher. This forest on UT AgResearch land in Jackson was a row crop field in the early 2000s. But some land is better suited for trees than crops, especially if flooding is a frequent issue, and that was the case here. Now researchers have a healthy bottomland forest, and these oaks could be harvested soon.
And so not all species of oak can tolerate this kind of site. So some of the research we've been involved with is trying to determine by looking at the soil properties which trees are better adapted to this site.
UT Extension forester David Merker has been the caretaker of this forest since it was first planted. As the trees flourish, information is gained to help landowners determine the value of their timber. There's also climate change research here regarding trees sequestering carbon from the atmosphere. And healthy woods provide other benefits as well.
And so, of course, as these trees grow, they're providing wildlife habitat, they're protecting our soil and water resources. And on top of that, they're producing a crop that someday can be harvested and converted to a usable wood product.
51,000 trees were planted as part of this project, and thick woods are common throughout Tennessee. Our state is covered by 14 million acres of forest, 52% of all our land area. But it hasn't always been that way. We have more forest land now than we did in 1900, and this research project is a prime example of a change in perspective and goals. Here's the same land in 1943, 80 years ago, and now today it looks like this. When it comes to trees, Tennessee is good at growing them.
If you look at Tennessee with its mountain peaks and its rolling hills and its impervious swamps, it's well suited for the production of this product, of this particular wood product. And so I like to say that trees are to Tennessee as hogs are to Iowa and corn is to Illinois and lobsters are to Maine. This is what we do.
We grow trees and then we grow more. David Merker calls it the miracle of reforestation. And for us to have vibrant future forests, we need to keep growing our research. This is Charles Denny reporting.